Good morning, all. We're at the Great Grand Master facility and we're looking at the bird bath. It's froze over. This is the Great Grand Master Steve, and I guess everybody and everything's been missing for over 2 months. Being undisclosed and anonymous can be a very good thing. My great-great-grandfather always said, from the Kashmir Mountains of India, mind you, said after the third ice over of the bird bath, we will get a quick spring and back right into summer. Well, this is the second freeze over, froze over, whatever. And so tomorrow after the freeze over, boom, boom, spring to summer on Wednesday. Hallelujah. This is the Great Grand Master Steve. Always undisclosed and anonymous, but you never know. Till next time, Sat Nam.
Oh, you're a cute little guy. You're a very cute little guy. Yeah.